Hello students, good morning. Welcome to online classes. In previous period, we have to discuss about as the development of industry and MIDC means Maharashtra State Corporation, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, that is the MIDC. Now today we are going to learn today's as the topic of information technology industry and corporate social responsibility, both of these points. So in these industries, when this of any industry has developed in that region, so there is a industry has to show their advantages and some of the disadvantages. So you fill up that as a divide as a difference of to complete in our textbook. That shows the page number 56. Now, information technology. Information technology is an important branch, important engineering branch in today's in the world. In this branch, work is carried out by our computers. In this industry, India has made rapid progress. The availability of skilled manpower is the most important reason for this. Okay, now today's in this world, that the main important, that is the it is a very important branch of information technology in an engineering branch. Now, in this branch, as all this work is carried out by our computers. And in this industry, India is very progressive. It is very India is also has made a rapid progress in industrial information technology. And the availability of the skilled manpower is the most important reason for this. Now, in this industry, has searching about as the main important because when this all this works carried out by computer, so it is very easy to searching about for as a technical information, then obtaining it, analyzing and compiling it, then presenting it very carefully graphically and providing it as per of the requirement is the nature of work. All this information is obtained from the internet or computer. Means not only for that as a computer, but other devices we also use. We also collect the information is obtained from the internet, computers, mobiles, and other devices. Also, the creation or development of special software on these handset is another component of this industry. Means in this industry, as the creation and development of a special software on this handset to apply in these industries as a information of technology. Today there is an increase in the use of computers and technology. Yes, we have to know about that. Is a today it is very progressive. This is the use of computers and also technology. There is a great variety in types of information collected and it is used all for the world because computers and technology it is the use of is a very rapidly in the world and that is a great variety of the all of types of information collected and it is used in all over the world. Now second point is CSR means corporate social responsibility. When an industrialist or a group of industries work for the betterment of the society for the conservation of the environment, it is known as the corporate social responsibility. So, what is the definition about as the CSR means corporate social responsibility? Means that when it is an industrialist or a group of industries work for the betterment of the society and for this conservation of the environment, so it is known as the CSR means corporate social responsibility. And this showing of the responsibility to society by by helping needy people or needy of the organization is a very important task through of this CSR. With these objectives, when an industry or a group of industries have made a profit of over 5 crores, so they are expected to spend at least 2% of their profits on acts benefiting the society. Yes, if any industry has to as a made of profit all over the 5 crores of over, so in this industry has to spend for the society that of benefit only 2% to use of their society. Means for this assistance for their below the expected. For example, cost of the provision of educational facilities means CSR by using their beneficial of the 2% by society, so that the educational facilities they are using. Second, the provision of facilities related to the health. Third, development of village or region. And fourth, establishing centers for the people like environmental development centers. Means educational facilities related to the health. Third is village or region, that to development, and establishing centers for people like environmental centers and developing. Means all these are expected of the 4 points are this CSR means corporate social responsibility by used. They are also spend at least 2% for the society for from this beneficial of any of their profit. So this is the work of corporate social responsibility. There is a tax rebate on the account spent by the industry or group of industries on various schemes under corporate social responsibility. Yes. Now this corporate with CSR also to rebate of many tax rebate on this amount as paid by of industry and any of the groups. So that is the CSR means corporate social requirement. Now in this point, do you know that you will be read carefully, and what is the industrialization environment? This manufacturing, we know about manufacturing include processing the raw material in order to obtain the finished product. During this manufacture of the product, some harmful and some harmful residual materials and some are the pollutants. All these materials are left behind, and as a result, there is a pollution of the air, water, noise, and land also polluted. So this is the types of pollution is term of industrial pollution. This industrial has throwing out all the many some are the harmful of the materials to throw out as a water, land, air, noise, etc. Means that is the noise of the pollution. Now next of the industrial pollution. Industrial, these are the resolution of industrial as their problems relating to it and being seriously discussed as it is an international level. Means these problems has to solve and discuss at the level of international level. So while deciding the location of industries, their lands along with their traditional factors, then serious thought is being given by the environmental factors also affected. To controlling the pollutions to caused by industries, proper disposal and sewage and harmful residual and proper treatment of the pollutants should be done. As all these programs to following as discussed in as a international level throughout these industrial pollutions. Now fuel saving vehicles and equipment must be manufactured. Now fuel saving vehicles and other equipment must be also manufactured in this industry. So pollution control, preservation of natural resources and environmental management are these factors which must be taken into an account when this industrial objects as a saving for this as a industrialization and according to the environment. In India, in order to check industrial pollution, many laws and regulations have been framed. Yes, in our India also, uh, many of the laws and regulations to follow in the frame of, so that both at the national and the state level. Example, water and air pollution control and act and conservation of the environment act. Means this, according to this act, to following all the rules and regulation in our India. So the Central Pollution Control Board of India looks into the prevention and control of pollution. Both of this as a central level to follow up these rules. In this context, any contravention of these laws will means the management of the factory would be held responsible and would be liable for the punishment. If any industrial group or any of industry does not as follow up the rules and regulations, so that time this industry as a level of state level, international level and national level to as a factory, these would be held responsible and would be liable for the punishment. So in our textbook that given here is given that in India is many important public sector undertaking has been established. Their acronyms, abbreviated form that given here. So find their long forms and find their of the textbook page number 57 to write there of the long forms. Okay, thank you.